guys, today I wanted to show you how I do this high ponytail like Ariana Grande. I've done a few of these tutorials last year with a different color of ponytail, but it's the same brand, same length, everything like that, which is from I&H Hair, and I do have a discount code from them, which is Kristina U, and it will give you 15% off any order, which includes anything because they have ponytails, wigs, bangs, clip-in extensions, which I wear all the time, and they have so many different colors. So first, I like to put my hair up and I like to slick my hair down with some sort of gel, and I will link all the products for you guys because last time people had a lot of questions. So you can either slick your hair into a high pony or you can make a bun, which I prefer because my hair is ombre, so the ends are actually lighter and it will show through the ponytail. So I like to separate my ponytail into two pieces and wrap them around each other, so that way it creates a high bun and it's a nice base for the ponytail to sit on. Then you just place the clip at the base of your bun, wrap the Velcro around it, and then Velcro it into place. And then take the little hair extension at the end and wrap it around the base to hide the Velcro. And then take a bobby pin and secure the very ends in place. And you're done. That's just how easy it is. So the ponytail I'm using here today is called Mia, and I do have a few different colors in the same ponytail, and I will list all the colors for you guys in the info box along with the link to their website. But I love this ponytail because it's super easy to clip in. It takes literally 1 minute. It has one clip and then this little extension that wraps around the base to hide the actual ponytail, which is really awesome. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have a new video out every Sunday. And my Instagram is hrxJQ, so if you want to add me for tutorials and just to see what I'm up to, I will link it for you guys down below in the info box. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Which I will link all the products for you guys because last time people I will link all the products for you guys because last time people had a lot of questions. So you can either slick it into a high pony, or you can make a bun.